blueberry muffin. We have this muffin mix and water and blueberries. Let's make it together. So pour the water. I'm doing it by hand. It's easier for me because it's not much anyway. And then we can add the blueberry now. So we'll spray the pan so it doesn't stick. And we can scoop the mix, put it in the muffin tin. So we'll put now in the oven and bake it in 325 and for 20 to 22 minutes until they're done. But don't overdone because it's gonna burn. Okay, let's do it. It's ready. Look, it looks so nice. Ta-da! This is it. Look, it looks so good. Still, my blueberry muffins. It's gate 1. How it looks like inside. That is so moist. Still so hot. This is good with coffee. Looks so good. That's so good. Thank you for watching.